Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a bit different. I'm doing a clean with me video. You can follow along with me as I clean our front room after a night that we went to bed late and didn't have a chance to clean up before we went to bed. First off, I'm going to use these 360 duster refills. I get these from Target. They're the Up and Up brand. And I use them for a lot of the higher up dustings on like my pictures or the frames of my windows, things like that I just can't reach. Also the tops of my bookcases, I can't reach the top of them and I like to clean them up as well. So now I am using the small handled Swiffer 360 duster. I pretty much use this to do through all of my house, the dusting. I'm going to dust all the shelves on the bookcases. I have two that surround my television. We do have animals here at my home. We have 3 cats and a dog, so it does get dusty, and there is some pet hair here, so I really have to be diligent and keep up on my weekly cleaning. My bookcases do consist of some trinkets and some antique dishes and things like that. So I have to be very gentle with some of them, and I really find that this Swiffer 360 duster really does the trick. You did see me there turn on my Scentsy, which of course has a cat on it. Now I'm going to be using my great new feature that I purchased from Walmart. This is the Bissell Multi-Reach 22 volt lithium ion technology vacuum cleaner. What I love about it is it's very lightweight, and it is a washable filtering system, so I can just wash it when I'm done. It also is a chargeable one, so that's really great. This works really well for doing my hardwood floors. Also, as you can tell, has different attachments with it, so I have taken out the vacuum one and to the handheld vacuum one, and I am now vacuuming off all the cat and pet hair from our couch. because we were watching movies last night, we had a lot of pillows and cushions. So I'm just getting them all put back together. And yes, I do spend quite a lot of time vacuuming our couch. Like I said, we do have 3 cats and a dog, so I like to make spend some time tackling the coffee table. We have quite a few different things that need to be put away. So I am picking things up, putting things away. You will always see nail polishes in probably every room of my home, as that's something that I really enjoy doing, and I was doing them last night. So just picking up stuff that doesn't belong in the living room and putting it away. I'm also going to dust the bottom of the coffee table, and the top of the coffee table is glass, so it does require some extra cleaning, and I will be getting to that shortly. I'm going to be using this 7th generation disinfecting multi-surface cleaning spray. I do really enjoy that it's natural, and I'm trying to get away from some of the harsh chemicals in different products. So this is something that I am really happy that I found. So that is what I'm going to be using for some of the surfaces around the house, in the kitchen, the bathroom, and such. Now that I've finished doing some of the cleaning, I'm using this Bath & Body Works Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin Concentrated Room Spray. I really like it for the fall. It smells so wonderful, and I've sprayed it throughout the living room as you saw there. The final step now to cleaning will be vacuuming. And yes, I use a different vacuum than the vacuum that I had for the hardwood floors. The vacuum that I use for the carpets in the house is a Bissell, again, powered source. It is such lightweight. I have two of them. I have one for upstairs and one for downstairs, and I do really enjoy it because the suction power is of no other that I've had. And yeah, it's just so lightweight. I can do the stairs with it. I can carry it around everywhere, and I find it does a really nice job. And I feel so satisfied after seeing all the marks, carpet marks, the vacuum marks in the carpet. That makes me feel like my job is done. And now that I'm seeing all the wonderful, satisfying vacuum marks in the carpet, I think I'm done vacuuming for the day. After everything is vacuumed, I'm going to be using the TV screen cleaner. Sorry that it's upside down, but I guess it's a Windex for electronics that you can clean their screens and it won't damage them. I just like to get any smudges off the television or anything that is sticking to it, just so that it's nice and fresh for the next week. Then quickly I like to use these Swiffer wet mop refills and just go over my floor lightly. I know that it's not dirty, but I just like to take the scuffs from the animals, like footprints and stuff, off. So if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!